Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm just shooting this video at the side of the road basically. It's near a park I always go to. But I'm getting ready to do I wanted to make an announcement. Starting tomorrow, there's going to be a change to the Fatwood Fridays, and it's going to be Fired Up Fridays now. And you're probably thinking, well, why the change? And the reason for the change is very simple. There's more than one way to make fire. So I wanted to branch out and expand my fire making to more than just Fatwood. I mean, I love Fatwood. Some of you really like the Fatwood, and I appreciate that. But you know, there's more than one way, like I said, to make fire. So by only sticking to Fatwood, I'm kind of limiting my choices. Now I was actually going to do this last week, but I got that awesome mail call gift from Bruce at Fab Creations with all that wonderful Fatwood. And there's still going to be Fatwood fires. I'm not going to quit doing the Fatwood, but I'm going to not do them every week. I'm going to try to branch out a little bit more, do some other methods, because I think it'd be more interesting, be more fun for me, and I think it'd just be good all around. Maybe a little inspiration for others to try other things too. So, for example, I've been wanting to bust out my flint and steel set because I've been watching a channel called Orion. Shout out to him, link in the description. Car. What was I saying? So yeah, there's a channel I've been watching, Orion. He's been doing a lot of flint and steel and whatnot. So it's been a little inspiration for me to get out there and start getting with my flint and steel, and there's other things too that I want to try. I mean, with it being coming out well, it's kind of an overcast day, like really overcast. It rained actually yesterday. I actually spent yesterday fishing a little bit, and I basically just took today off, but I forgot they were doing some maintenance on my condo, so they shut the power off. They basically are replacing all of the electrical boxes out front or out back, so they had to kill all the power for the whole building. So I'm like, well, I guess I'm going to the park today. So here I am, just making the best of it. So yeah, all right. I guess it'll be a quick vid. Car kind of threw me off track a little bit. Thanks. But yeah, let me know what you think. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow starts Friday. Fired Up Friday begins, which I'm actually going to turn around and film right now. And I think it's starting to rain a little bit, but hey, we'll just have to work with it. I mean, I got the truck here, so I can always jump in the cab and wait it out if I have to. So, alright. Catch you later.